And some police. It ain't for me though. I know they're looking at me, wishing I was speed. Check me out, man. Check me out, baby. Y'all haven't seen the car in a while, but yes, cars still in the rotation, y'all, for sure. Show y'all that. But yeah, y'all look at the car, man. What do y'all think about it? I just got the whole vehicle PPF'd. Well, except the wheels, but those are ceramic coated. Still, whole vehicle gunzo. It's been a fat minute since y'all seen the inside of this, right? Man, I even missed the inside of it. I don't think y'all seen the orange seatbelts though. That's new. Man. Interior of this one, show y'all that. Just a quick little walk around. Show y'all what this is looking like. Hopefully this quality looks pretty good too. I'm on the smaller camera, but still the quality is good. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little walk around, show y'all what this is looking like. The whole vehicle, man, is PPF. The whole shebang. Spoilers, show y'all that. All PPF, top, whole thing, man. Except the wheels, of course. Even this little, what do you call this? Like a boomerang. That carbon piece. I don't think y'all seen that part either, actually. But that is also the whole vehicle, man. I want to keep this sucker as pristine as could be. I mean, I'm sure y'all would too. I'm sure anybody would, but for sure, man. I have not been on the passenger seat yet, but whole interior, it's ceramic coated as well. Just good. Whole bunch of leather up here. More leather on the seats. A little bit of, can y'all see that? It's like Alcantara right there. Alcantara, that suede material. And you can also see it a whole lot up here. Man, show y'all what that's looking like. A little walk around of the Z06, baby. Hopefully this audio sounds pretty good. I'm outside the place, you know what I'm saying? I had to bring the car outdoors, show y'all what it looks like, man. That's crazy. Hell yeah. But yeah, I did get the whole vehicle fully PPF'd. Not sure. Can you tell? Maybe certain spots, maybe, but it's mainly for protection, y'all. I'm not here to. The car doesn't look, you know what I'm saying? If I pull up, show my friends and stuff, nobody's gonna be like, hey, why you got a screen protector on it? You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't even see it. You can't even see it, really. Carbon fiber mirror caps. It's crazy. These are not OEM. These are aftermarket wheel caps right there. I mean, mirror caps. The ones, hold on. I did buy some OEM straight from, you know what I'm saying, Chevy. Let me try to unlock this front real quick. Hell yeah. Check me out. It's so crazy having a front, y'all. It makes no sense. No sense. Let me show y'all this though. Yeah, hopefully I can see. These are the OEM ones. Bought these straight from the Chevy dealership, man. Like $1,500 for a cap. There's like 3M glued or something inside, and for a cap, man, a cap. That's a little, you know what I'm saying, a little dumb, I think, but the car looks freaking phenomenal. Go ahead and close this. Soft close, baby. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little 360 walk around, show y'all what this is looking like right here. Sure if that was recording or not, but if it wasn't recording, you know, it is recording now. If I could see me in that Z06 thing, baby. This car's freaking awesome. Hold on. This vehicle a lot, man. A lot. I'm sure naturally anybody would, you know, but really missed this vehicle, man. See, I still can't believe I have this. I'm sure some of y'all can't even believe I have it. Man, I'm in the same boat with you. Like, a couple times, you know, you wake up from night, you wake up from your sleep or whatever, you gotta use the restroom or something. Forget that. Let's make a trip to the garage real quick, make sure the car is still there. And it is, you know, but just to make sure, it's kind of hard to believe it, man. Freaking Z06. I gotta record some of me driving. I should have brought the POV with me. Dang, I did forget that. I had so many things I was trying to, you know, bring before I picked up the car that I forgot the freaking POV cam. It's all good though. I'll show you what that's looking like. It's auto downshifting right now. Hopefully I can hear those little pops in the background. Yeah, man, I'm a freaking happy camper. Freaking car bag, PPF. Man, what else could I want? What else could I ask for? I just wish I could drive. I mean, not that the weather's too bad, but it is a little cloudy. It's drizzling a little bit. 300 miles on the car. I just hit 300. Let me try to see if I could. 1, 2, 3. Can y'all see that? Hopefully I could see that 300 miles currently, but what are these people honking for? Man. I got it in my cup holder and it's staying pretty still. I just can't floor it too much. It's so crazy actually driving a Z06, man. What the freaking awesome. Oh, look at this back window too. I mean, the coupes look cool. A lot of people I think they like them more because you can see the engine, which is freaking awesome. Agreed, not disagreeing, you know. But on the convertible you get a little window back here, so it's drizzling right now, it's kind of raining, but I still get to hear the engine. Best of both worlds, you know what I'm saying? Don't call me Miley now. Got me feeling like Hannah Montana. I had to get that one picture on y'all. Let's drive. I'm gonna take your pictures like this is not my car, like it's a freaking rental, but I'm just excited, man. I'm just a little excited here. Damn, these roads are not good at all. Hear those pops? Pops or something else, man. I'm not even in the braking period. 301 miles, y'all, but sounds freaking awesome, man. Oh, look, man. I'm not in downtown too often, so it's not really 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here too much, but look how that looks. That freaking Z06 thing. Oh, this car kind of blocked the view. Yeah, downtown. Let me go ahead and put this front lift back on. That car may look a little ugly from the pedestrian's view, but fuck 'em. drizzling a little bit too. Y'all heard that little rev there? Man, driving in downtown, I said it was cool, man. I take it back. 100% take it back. There's so many. I remember why I don't like downtown. There's so many freaking walkers, people on scooters, bikes, like, man. And on top of that, freaking potholes everywhere. So this is not the vehicle I want to keep the car in the high mode at all times. Not really much to talk about right now, just really just driving the car. It's traffic right now, thankfully, man, because I kind of didn't want to drive. Naturally, you're not supposed to drive fast in the rain anyways, but the tires I got on, like, for sure, this car shouldn't even be out right now. But it's just, you know what I'm saying, what a coinkydink. The day I picked up my car is raining, so it sucks a little bit, but I'm thankful we got a car to drive in the rain, you know. Right now I got it on like wet mode. Y'all could barely hear when I accelerate. Y'all could probably hear me more than anything. Look, crazy. But look, Z mode. All I did was press a button. No paddle shifters, just a button. I think the weather mode in this vehicle, it might actually work. Because when I got it in Z mode, it's freaking essentially track mode. And it's the police. It ain't for me though. I know they're looking at me, wishing I would speed. Alright, y'all, hopefully I can see this right here. Didn't do an outro. I was just driving home, and yeah, I just ended up home. But yeah, just so y'all know if I made it home or not. Indeed, made it back home in one piece, y'all. Here's my 2017 Camaro SS right here. The freaking Ford stars. Look at the wheels here, and then the freaking carbon fiber on this one is freaking crazy. Anywho, yeah, man, made it back home one piece. I could have did a better job parking here. It's like, what, third time parking it? But I freaking love the front end of this vehicle, man. Look at that. It's freaking awesome. I like how it looks like the car ends here, and then it like drops down a little more. You got this carbon piece, and I'm yapping too much, man. Just wanted to hopefully enjoy this video. If you did, leave it a fat like. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping. That is crazy. That is crazy to see, man. But hey, stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon. And yeah, man, I'll see you in the next video. So yeah. Yeah, I haven't done that in a long time, right?